Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to be experimenting with making a pepperoni pizza on my Traeger pellet grill. Let's get started. Alright guys, so today what I want to do is find out whether or not I can make a pepperoni pizza on my Traeger pellet grill. I've seen this done, and actually I've done it before on a charcoal grill and it worked out great. So today is more of an experiment. I haven't really done this recently, and I haven't done it on a pellet grill. So go ahead and follow along, and I'll show you guys what I do. If it works out, this will be a great how-to for you. I know that when cooking a pizza, you want the temperature to be as high as possible. So what I'm going to start off by doing is putting my pizza stone in the Traeger and cranking the heat as high as it can go. On this grill, that setting is 500. Let's see if we can get there. Next, I'm going to take you guys inside and we're going to make up the pepperoni pizza real quick. And then we're going to bring it out here and put it on the grill. I'm starting with a pre-made pizza dough. I flattened it out on parchment paper and I cut the excess parchment paper around it to prevent the parchment paper from catching on fire in the grill. I'm going to start off by putting a nice homemade sauce. Shout out Nick the MC. Put a few spoonfuls of sauce down and use the back of your spoon to spread it into a nice thin layer. Next, spread mozzarella cheese over the entire pizza. Next, I'm going to spread pepperoni evenly over the entire pizza. Now I'm going to transfer the pizza to a cutting board so I can carry it outside to the grill. I've been letting my Traeger heat up for about 15 minutes and we've only gotten to 360. So I'm going to throw the pizza on and try it out. Should take about 20 minutes. After about 10 minutes of cooking, the pizza's looking really good, but it still needs some more time. After 20 minutes, the pizza was looking really good, so I decided to take it off the grill. So it took about 20 minutes, but we were really successful in making our pepperoni pizza. I'll bring it a little closer to show you guys. Look at that. Underneath it got done as well. So give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna go grab a pizza slicer. I'll slice off a slice of this and do a taste test for you. I went inside and sliced it up with my pizza cutter so I can give you guys a taste test. Wow. What I learned from this experiment is that you can absolutely cook pizza on a Traeger and it turns out amazing. Thanks for sticking around, you guys. This pizza turned out awesome and I was really stoked I got to make it. I'm really excited to eat it. Go ahead and like this video or subscribe to my channel. I come out with new videos every Thursday. If you subscribe, you get the chance to be notified when my next video comes out. Have a good weekend and I'll catch you next week.